I saw a corpse strip farmers of water. Saw them transform Night City into a machine fueled by people's crushed spirits, broken dreams, and empty pockets. Corpse have long controlled our lives, taken lots, and now they're after our souls. V, I've declared war not because capitalism's a thorn in my side or out of nostalgia for an America gone by. This war's a people's war against a system that spiraled out of our control. It's a war against the fucking forces of entropy. Understand?
Better be with fucking fireworks.
Gonna be an ambush, no doubt. Just focus. You're better than them.